Okay, next thing we're going to do is go ahead and go into one of your classes. You should see all the information that you entered up at the top left. All right, we're going to move over to our settings gear. It's up at the top right next to your image, or you might have a letter there for your name. And we're going to click on that settings gear. Under general, you'll see stream. The default is that students can post and comment. We are going to actually change this to only teachers can post and comment. This will keep your kids out of making just random comments on the stream, and it'll just sort of streamline that whole area. So we're going to change that to only teachers can comment. Classwork on the stream, we are going to hide. You really want to think of your stream as sort of like a Facebook feed. So you're just putting announcements and things like that on there. You don't actually want any classwork anywhere on your stream. That makes it very confusing for students when they have some classwork on the stream and some classwork under classwork. So we want to keep the stream only for actual announcements that you post there. So we're going to turn this off. I do not want to show deleted items, but I do want to turn on guardian summaries. So go ahead and click this and go ahead and add class. A little bit about guardian summaries. These are new for our district. We just got them. Once you add a student and a parent, so once the parent links it up, once they've been added and they've been linked together, every time a teacher adds a classroom and turns on guardian summaries and a student is in their class, their parent is automatically going to get the guardian summaries. What these do is these give information, usually every week. Parents can turn this on daily, but it's going to give them information about missing work that wasn't turned in when the summary was sent, information about upcoming work, and then also some class activity overview. So because our parents can't actually see Google Classroom, this will give them some insight into what's going on with their student and what their kid is doing. So we are going to turn on guardian summaries. The next thing we're going to do is turn on Meet. So I'm going to go ahead and generate a Meet link. And then if you are using this daily, go ahead and just toggle it on that it's visible to students. If you're not using it daily and it's just sort of here and there, go ahead and just turn it off. But you could probably leave it on for the fall because we are having to do synchronous learning all the time. We are not going to be using the gradebook feature in Google Classroom. At this time, it does not sync with Skyward, so we need to keep things simple and just use the one official gradebook. So we are not even going to worry about that at all. And then we're going to come up here and click on Save.